Hi guys, hi again. Now I want to tell you one thing. No matter how good you're brought up, it will be useless if you meet someone who does not appreciate you and that good upbringing. How? This person is going to abuse you for being a good person, for being real, for being kind to them, for taking good care of them, and they'll make you regret being a good person. What do I want to tell you? Live your life. Don't try to please people. They will hurt you. And the end result is regret. If you don't want that, live your life, my dear. Brother, sister, ishi maisha yako. Stop acting good, and if you feel you're too good, kindly songa mbele kama injili.